What are network ports?
We're equipped are virtual points where data enters or leaves a computer on a network. Just like doors in a building, each port is assigned a number that identifies a specific service or application, such as web browsing or email. Without ports, computers wouldn't know how to direct messages to the right software or process.
How do ports enable communication?
When you visit a website, your device connects through a specific port, usually port 80 for HTTP or port 443 for HTTPS. These ports act as designated channels, ensuring that your request reaches the web server and the response returns to the right application. This allows multiple services to operate simultaneously on a single machine without interference.
Common types of network ports.
Some ports are widely used. For example, port 25 handles email, SMTP. Port 21 is for FTP file transfers, and port 22 is for secure remote access, SSH. Recognizing these common ports can help troubleshoot network issues or configure firewalls.
Network port security essentials.
Open ports can be targeted by attackers. That's why it's important to close unused ports and only allow access to necessary ones. Firewalls and security software help manage which ports are open, reducing the risk of unauthorized access to sensitive information.
Tips for managing ports safely.
Regularly review which ports are open and why. Only enable ports required for your needs. Keep your software updated and consider changing default port numbers for sensitive applications. Monitoring port activity can help detect suspicious behavior early and keep your system secure.